Hey everybody, this is G Pierce at Colosso Koi. We're known for giving you great toe-side quality koi fish. I just want you to come along and enjoy this journey. Okay, we're draining the water more because the next koi will be the fry. So we'll be getting the fry out soon. Just trying to get the water low enough where it's almost like in puddles or something. And man, is it a lot of it. I don't know. It's about close to 5 o'clock now. We started at noon, so I think we're doing good. Some of the ones I've caught so far, so they kind of come to the net a little. You know, Kelsey and Ryan stopped by, and Ed stopped by. The Koi for Life crew. So their help was just impeccably thankful. I couldn't have did it this fast. Pretty fast, aren't they?
They are really fast. Well, that's hard too because you're starting to stir up some of the stuff. And
yeah, we're down here trying to get the koi fry, so we're still draining, but we're running out of daylight, so we're trying to get it going. Okay, let's see here. You got water in your bucket?
A little bit.
Here, one. One fish.
Scared of it.
Okay, here. Let's get some water going. Got a few.
Just getting the last couple out from this side. Got a few scragglers that just don't want to leave. Got this side almost done. Then we move on to this side.
I'll put the pump in the middle then. We have one of those dead. Can't get as many as you right now, Ed, but I'm trying. For the water to go down.
Got the perfect scoop.
Well, thank you, Ed.
Yeah.